Imagine a world where GT1 supercars, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, and Nissan GTRs battle for supremacy on legendary circuits. That was the dream of the 2010 FIA GT1 World Championship, a bold attempt to bring GT1 racing to a global stage. But despite its promise, the series was short-lived. So, what happened? Let's dive in. In 2010, the FIA introduced the GT1 World Championship as the pinnacle of Grand Tour racing. It replaced the FIA GT Championship and featured 6 manufacturers: Maserati, Aston Martin, Corvette, Ford, Lamborghini, and Nissan. Each brand had 2 teams, with 2 cars per team, making for a competitive 24-car grid. The championship traveled across 10 iconic tracks, including Silverstone, Spa, and Interlagos. Each event had 2 races, a qualifying race that set the grid for the championship race, where the real points were up for grabs. Drivers had to swap mid-race, making pit stops crucial. Consistency and teamwork were key. Over the season, we saw intense battles. Michael Bartels and Andrea Bertolini, driving for Maserati, emerged as the champions, clinching the title with their MC12. Their consistency paid off, while rivals like Aston Martin's Turner and Enge and Nissan's Westbrook fought hard but fell short. In the team's championship, Vitaphone Racing took the crown. But despite the spectacle, problems loomed. The biggest issue? Money. Running a GT1 car was costly and sponsorships were hard to come by. Additionally, the series lacked manufacturer support compared to Formula One or endurance racing. Fan engagement struggled, with some questioning if GT1 racing had a place in a world shifting toward GT3 regulations. In 2011, the series tried to adapt, but cracks were showing. By 2012, GT1 was discontinued, and the FIA shifted focus to GT3, which was more affordable and had stronger manufacturer backing. The GT1 dream faded, but its legacy remains, giving us incredible racing memories and paving the way for modern GT series. So, was the FIA GT1 World Championship a failure, or was it simply ahead of its time? One thing's for sure, it was a thrilling chapter in motorsport history. If you love GT racing, drop a like and subscribe for more deep dives into racing's forgotten gems. See you in the next one, a clip of GT1 cars roaring down the track ending with a fade out. Would you like any modifications, like a more dramatic tone or a focus on a specific aspect?